Sahithi and you're watching Sahithi's interesting vlogs. So I'm super excited to share this video because today I have did a DIY and that DIY was super successful, and this was the first time I have performed this DIY, and that is water diyas. So yeah, let's get into our today's video. So let's start our video by lighting the water diya which I have prepared it earlier. So here you have to take a circle, prepare a circle with a thick plastic sheet. So I've used it, and you have to use a thread. You have to twist the thread, and first of all let's make a hole in the center of the circle. So here I'm using the compass. You can use any other anything, whatever is there available at your home. So I have made a hole here. Now I'm inserting the thread into this hole. So once you have inserted, make sure that you're twisting it perfectly, because twisting is the main part. So as you can see, now we have to cut off the excessive wick, because we must remember that the immersing part must be short. Immersing thread must be short. So it's all done. Now let us decorate the liquid in which we are gonna put the diyas, light on the diyas. So here I'm using the decorating items whatever are there at my house, available at my home. So as you can see, I've used my mom's bangles, and here I've used the model of sea snail. So and here I'm using green and yellow bangles, and I've used some pebbles, and here I'm using my old yellow color beads chain, and here I'm using the rajma, and this is also a very beautiful decorative food item. And in this way I've used, and this is called as sagu, and this is amazing. And I've used red color pebbles in this. So this was also just amazing. And this is the last one. You just remember that red and white are super combination, super combination. That is the reason why I'm just saying you. So here I'm using the food colors. I'm using yellow, green and red food colors, because these are only available at my home. You can use the blue color ujala one also, but now I'm using the blue color cups here. So now when I use blue color, that blue color ujala food color, it will get mixed with my cup color, which is also blue. So here I'm adding the perfect combination food colors. So it's all done now. Food colors are being added. I have mixed everything. So as you can see, I'm still adding them. And guys, I'm saying no, you have to perfectly try this DIY. It's so simple. Maybe it will take some time. Okay, so now let's get back into DIY. Now let us apply oil to the threads, the wick, okay, which we have inserted into the circles between the center of the circle. Now let us add some oil into the liquids which we made to insert our diya, lighten the diya. You can use cooking oil also, but I'm here using the oil which we use for Deeparadhana. We are putting these circles in which we inserted the wick, these on the top of the liquid. So yeah, and that's done. Now we have to put these each and everything on it now, and that would be done. Now let us lighten our diyas, and you can see here that the diya which we have first lightened before starting this video is still lightening. So that was just amazing. And here are the diyas. So as you can see the photos, how beautiful these diyas are looking. Guys, you must try this. And the place, now whatever place I'm like in my room only. So this DIY I've performed in my room only, and still in front of my eyes the diyas are still lightening. So that is just amazing. It was like unexpected. I did not expect that this DIY would be so much perfect. So yeah friends, you must try this DIY. That's amazing. Okay, so here are the pictures which I've shared, and friends, this is after 20 minutes they are still lightening. And just to prove that, you have to try this DIY friends. And yeah friends, I'll meet you all with another new video. Till the time, goodbye and take care. Bye bye. Friends, this is like after 3 hours. You can see everything is dark over here. At that time at least it was evening, but it's night now. So as you can see, they are still lightning, and this is amazing.